The M18 fuel pencil vibrator had way more power than the competitors. We've used two others in the past, and this one exceeded our expectations.
Not having the cord is a huge benefit, especially if you don't have somewhere to plug in, and then you're dragging the cord the whole time, so being battery operated is huge. I'd use it in pretty much any application. I mean, the 8-foot for 8-foot walls, the 4-foot for smaller jobs.
I mean, when you got a tool with that kind of reliability, it's a game changer.
The Milwaukee pencil vibrator hits like no other.
The pencil vibrator hits harder and performs better than its competitors.
The quality of a tool is everything in our trade for what we do. If the tool doesn't work properly, it falls back on us for not choosing the right brand to use. We don't have that problem with the Milwaukee tool.
Power and runtime are a huge factor.
I've been using the M18 high output 6.0 battery, and it lasts as long as we need it to.
Battery life is what really made a difference. I no longer have to worry about a cord, and the battery life is unmatched.
It's compact, lightweight, easy to carry. The reliability is key. When you pull it out of the trailer, it does what you need it to do. You're not looking for an alternative solution.